Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 14. Look at this, children. A bag and a candle. Listen again, children. A bag and a candle. Listen one more time, children. A bag and a candle. Now say with me, children. A bag and a candle. Say again, children. A bag and a candle. Children, now you have to write this sentence, a bag and a candle, on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is a bat and an umbrella. Listen again, children. A bat and an umbrella. Listen one more time, children. A bat and an umbrella. Now say with me, children. A bat and an umbrella. Say again, children. A bat and an umbrella. Children, now you have to write this sentence on these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a bat and an umbrella on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is a parrot and an envelope. Listen again, children. A parrot and an envelope. Listen one more time, children. A parrot and an envelope. Now say with me, children. A parrot and an envelope. Say again, children. A parrot and an envelope. Children, now you have to write this sentence in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a parrot and an envelope. Look at this, children. An uncle and a box. Listen again, children. An uncle and a box. Listen one more time, children. An uncle and a box. Now say with me, children. An uncle and a box. Say again, children. An uncle and a box. Children, now you have to write this sentence in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write an uncle and a box. Look at this, children. An apple and an orange. Listen again, children. An apple and an orange. Listen one more time, children. An apple and an orange. Now say with me, children. An apple and an orange. Say again, children. An apple and an orange. Children, now you have to write this sentence, an apple and an orange, in between these 4 lines by yourself. Let's read all the sentences of this page, children. A bag and a candle, a bat and an umbrella, a parrot and an envelope, an uncle and a box, an apple and an orange.